Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. The title, Parking Lot Post-Quarantine Workout. Let me explain that. We have a gym right across the road from my work facility, but a couple of my friends and I, a guy by the name of Daryl Robinson, which is the larger of the two other gentlemen you will see in the video, and my other good friend Joe Simmons, the smaller of the two, came up with this idea of let's not go back to the gym right now. Let's work out in the parking lot and get some cardio in. We're still not comfortable going to a gym, touching equipment that random people have touched. So they came up with some unique stuff, and this is just the beginning stages of what we came up with, or what they came up with. And I just happened to be out in the parking lot in my Jeep, and I decided to join in because, as y'all can see, I need to get this girlish figure back together. Now, a real quick explanation. You're going to see a few moves that they created, a few things we came up with along the way, and we're going to hopefully continue to add to this thing, set it up, and maybe even add some more people. And the reason I'm doing this video, if I haven't mentioned it already, starting probably every other Wednesday, we're going to do what we call Wednesday workout. If we can eat together, we can use the Hot Logic together, we can use the Big Easy together, we can use the George Foreman grills together, we can work out together, we can gain the weight together, and we can lose weight together. And if you don't need to lose weight, then this video is not for you. But this is just something I want to incorporate my viewers in. If you're interested, if you find it, I think some of it's going to be funny, it's going to be entertaining. So without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm going to let it do most of the speaking for itself. I may interact from time to time, but here comes the video. This is called, once again, Parking Lot Post-Quarantine Workout. Y'all enjoy. Stick around till the end.
Stop, dude.
I like it.
Let's go. Come to it. Time. 10 seconds.
All right, YouTube family, this is what's going on. I got my boy Joe. I got my boy Daryl. We work right over there. The gym is right there, but we're not going to the gym right now because even when they open up, we don't want to be in the middle of that contamination. We want to try to keep it real. So my boys came up with a solution. We're going to come out here in the parking lot every day and we're going to hit it. We got the jump rope. We got the battle rope. We got the battle chain. And we got the air wheel. And I got two 30-pound dumbbells that y'all saw me load in the Jeep this morning. So we're going to get it in any way we can. All right, YouTube family, we're going to set it up right here. We're going to get this workout in, and we're going to let the video speak for itself.
Go. A 20-second burn on tablets. Make them waves, baby. Let's go. Jump to it. Time.
Okay. 4. Ooh, that boy a beast right there. All right, let me get some of that for Darren when he get finished the next set.
What, the chain or the rope?
Either one, it don't matter.
It don't matter.
All right, let me get some of this chain.
Oh, you finna holler murder, she wrote. Squat down some, Rosie. Yeah. Hey, come step up. Now stoop down, because you want to fill it up in that too, squat.
Oh yeah.
Beat that. Woo. Woo. See, I thought about getting a big old shackle, hooking it up to my back bumper.
That's what we're gonna do. But I do it with the Jeep, it don't matter.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Woo!
Woo. Yeah, you.
Woo! 4-day weekend gonna be welcome.
Yeah. Yeah. If it ain't raining, I'll pull that rope and shit out in my yard.
Yep.
I'll go to the track.
I'm gonna have to order me one.
Shit, go to Academy.
Alright. They still got stuff left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit. I'll come to your house and this shit.
Alright.
We in
I
this-
know you will.
This shit, we in this together, dog.
I know you will.
Shit.
Woo!
They probably laughing at us like we're crazy.
Man, I could give a crap, but
Man, I
ain't
feel-
nobody even hardly pass by here.
I felt so good last night.
I felt proud of myself too. Like we did that. Alright. Can't leave no station open.
That's a little bit every day. Tough sweat.
Yup.
You ought to see these Negroes here. That boy getting that workout, boy.
One way or the other, babe.
Come on.
Come, John. Oh, that's right.
And see, that's my manager in there taking pictures.
That's
Hitting his ass in the air conditioner. That's what you need to be out here. Getting you some of that.
Just pretty boy day. He don't want to
You
sweat.
know what I'm saying? Your light-skinned boy day. He can't come out here.
Whatever I said about Rose before, I mean.
Just go out. It's all good, baby. Woo! I know, huh?
It's good, Joe Rose.
Woo! You don't need no steak in jail. Who idea was this, Joe? Or y'all came up with it mutual?
I talked to Joe about it. He said, let's do it.
That's what I like about Joe. He came.
Shit,
They go play some golf. He like, let's do it. Shit. Hell, Joe the one what got me into getting back into working out and playing golf.
hey, I got them clubs. I've been going to the driving range,
Right?
smacking them, relaxation.
Yep. Hitting something. Woo. Got some kickbacks. All right, YouTube family, that's what it's all about right there. Once my boys get this last set in, we got the battle chain on this side versus the battle rope. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, fella. I watch YouTube videos and stuff about this all the time. I ain't never seen that before. I ain't never seen that combination. It's something new, yeah. Ain't nobody using a tree, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We taking it back to the hood. Woo. Woo.
That was a good one, fella.
Yes, indeed.
That was a good one.
That's a good one.
Tell Tanya I'm gonna text you tonight to show you nothing else.
All right. All right. Yeah, keep me motivated, cause like, oh, I ain't coming to work tomorrow, but I'm gonna get up and hit it anyway.
Yeah.
Yep.
We working, but we want 6 hours. I'm gone. That's what I say. I get out and cook that shit up by my porch.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. All right, YouTube family, that's a real quick, down and dirty episode showing you what's capable without having a gym, without having a whole bunch of workout equipment. Each one of us brought a couple of pieces of equipment, brought the battle rope, Joe brought the battle chain, I brought some weights, I brought an air wheel, Darryl brought the mat, we got jump ropes, and we're working that cardio. I know I'm too old to be pumping 315, 225, all that kind of crap. This is what I need at my stage. Right now I'm at about 265 pounds, and I plan to be down to about 235, 230 with here within the next 6 weeks. That's what it's all about. All right, YouTube fam, we're gonna make it happen. All right, fellas.
All right. All right, bro.
All right, all right. All right.
That's what your goal is?
My goal is 225, but my immediate goal is 235. I'm working hard to get there. That's what we're gonna do.
I put we eat.
Yep.
Small portions of vegetables, chicken, and fish.
Yep.
No drinking.
No drinking, no sodas.
Oh, no.
Nothing but water. And every now and then I drink a little flavored water.
Yeah.
And that's it.
I like that ice.
Yes, yeah. Yep.
I use that to sip on.
Send me the video, Rose.
All right, well, I'm gonna post it on YouTube probably. I'm gonna edit it and everything, and I'll send you the link.
Yeah.
All right.
I like that ice. I use that just to sip on.
Right.
To get the taste of that water taste out of my mouth.
All right.
All the time.
All right. Yeah, just water all the time.
Where you posting that, Rose?
Well, I got a YouTube page. I'll send you the link. Yeah, I got like 98 videos on the most of it about cooking. But like I say, if I can do the cooking, I can also do the other part.
Send it.
Help us get off of that cook, eat healthy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, YouTube family. Like I said, that's it. We put in a hard 25, 30 minutes at lunch. We're gonna take it back in the hangar, in the office, and we're gonna make it do what it do. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumb down. And if so, a brief reason why in the comment section. If you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. What brought it in for a